MX24 TV, MX Live. Very happy to be here. Brand new week. It's a Monday. I hope everyone watching this is well, safe, healthy, doing their thing, whatever it is you're doing. Stay positive, man. There's light at the end of the tunnel, no matter what you're going through. And I'm starting with this because I've been getting a lot of messages. I usually get a lot of DMs, people going through stuff, and I tend to have, conversations with people sending me DMs. So, if you're going through something, talk to somebody, show support, show love. Life is short. Send us messages today because MX24, MX Live, we're all about interactions, your feedback, what you want to see, what you want to talk about. We're here for you 100%. MX24 TV, every single platform. Hashtags MX Live. Today I have two guests coming through, two artists, one male, one female, who are doing really, really good in their space, especially if you look at the catalog of music, the features, the platforms they've been on. Incredible stuff. So as I always say, sit back, relax, enjoy. For the next hour, it's nothing but the best conversation. Stay tuned in. We'll be right back. Welcome back, MX24 TV, hashtags MX Live. Very happy to be. I'm always happy to be here because I get to talk to you guys, I get to talk to my guests, and it's all about interaction here, right? Can't do any of this without you. Now, I know here we're all about supporting our own, about promoting our own, about having conversations with our own, because there's so many creatives out there, and we need to do our best, to be part of that support system. And today is the same thing, no exceptions here. I have an artist who, again, as I was saying earlier, has a crazy catalog when it comes to his features. He goes by the name Kojo Vypa, man. How you doing, man?
I'm good, bro.
Bro.
I'm good.
So we're going to get to the catalog, but you've done a lot when it comes to your music, and that's incredible on its own. But rightly so. You're still growing as an artist. Is that fair to say?
Yeah, sure.
You're still growing, right?
Sure.
We have to get to know you.
For real.
Kojo Vypa, man. Tell us about yourself, bro.
Okay. Kojo Vypa, you're fancy rapper, be hospital bad. Like a fancy rapper, you know, feel left for back. Paula one by Ellie, so on my squad, boom, or your mic and coffee shout, I cry your hard. Like a fancy rapper, boy, you know your definition. You go feel punch back to back, bro, no repetition. Or push a fancy rapper, now to be his on a mission. On time, telly, my brother man, look at the vision. So fancy rap, I am the future. In jeans on the Kawu base, I'm the tutor.
You see?
Monster.
You see, I told you guys, we're done. Interview done. Thank you so much for coming to me. And it's been a great interview. Have a very good afternoon. You see, I told you. Bro, I like the way, for like talking to you and you seeing what you just did off the top. Yeah. It shows you're very ambitious. It shows you're really, really hungry for this. Is that how it started for you, being hungry for music, or was it something else? Did you just fall into music? How did that come about, man?
Okay, I would say that anyway, that is talent, Initially, I started off as a dancer, and as time goes on, at that time, I was just doing the rapping, but I was, you see, senior high school, we just go focus on more of the dancing
because of the girls. I know. All the boys who took our girls. Yeah, we see you.
No, but those days, dancing was that thing,
But what's that dance called where we used to wear wabs and do you remember that dance?
Yes,
was it? Yeah, like crip walking. You used to do that too?
For real. I do break dance, boy. Those
so do you still dance though, or nah? Not really.
Not really. Okay. Right now, I'm I'm just on a rap thing.
So let's say you have a song, right? Let me just ask this: you have a song and it's doing well. Would you do your own dance challenges, or would you need somebody else?
I can.
Yeah, because you probably save a lot of money.
For real.
Yeah,
but but one person can do all the work,
You can even dance. Because me say right now, I will start the dance for my videos inside because the money challenge. Okay, so it was dancing, right?
Yeah.
As you were dancing, did you always have a feeling you'd get into, the lyrical part of stuff, or not really?
For real.
Okay.
For real.
So you always knew.
For real.
But you weren't pushing it as much as dancing,
yeah.
Okay, so at what point did you decide to,
I think when I was in Form 3.
Okay.
Yeah. And we started, you see, it's called Choices.
Oh, yeah.
So,
E40s.
E40s.
Yeah.
For real. So we back Form 3, then me and my ciphers, bless up, bro. we jump on that. So basically about talking about, do you like this teacher? This teacher? No, there's
Huh.
so
Wait,
something
hold up.
like that. So
Did the teachers actually hear that?
for real?
Did you get punished?
I tell you, bro.
Tell me about that.
We, bro, kings then since we really suffer for that, bro. And that is where everything
Holy
started.
smokes.
So like, not like the teacher they really beat we,
Yeah.
bro.
So you mentioned their names.
For real. We come for
Nah,
you.
this guy
like
be
this
hard
teacher,
guy.
this. And the song was all over the schools. People
And
know,
they
hey,
heard,
superstars.
So wait, let me ask this. The teachers who you supposedly gave a yes to in the song, were they as annoyed or not really?
Some.
Okay.
Some because in school we have some teachers they are we have teachers that we've given them names that they are not even aware of.
Yeah.
Those things.
Yeah.
There was this teacher that I used to call Ebola.
Oh my goodness. Bruh. How did you used to call it? Like, how did that
So
name
those
come?
things like it
Right.
was yo,
Students, man.
It wasn't
Students.
easy for me. So that is when everything started for me.
Okay, so I mean, that happened. You got a couple of lashes and punishments.
Yeah.
But I'm sure the response, must have been
Crazy.
massive.
So from there, and I started writing crazy, going for battles and
Yeah.
all.
How was the music scene? Because in Takrade, this was all happening in Takrade, or not necessarily?
No, in Elmina. I'm from Elmina.
Okay, Elmina. Sorry,
Yeah.
my bad. How was the music scene there?
Okay, not bad, but we're still on it. We're
Okay.
still pushing. Yeah.
Okay,
Not bad.
okay.
Like you see, we actually where we from. Like we don't have people who are more enlightened on this music business and all that.
okay.
So I believe now they are now getting it.
Yeah.
And hopefully.
Yeah, and I
pretty
mean,
soon-
it's a fair thing you're saying, because as soon as you said it, my mind goes to Takrade, the Papi Kojos, and all these kind of
for real,
rappers. But
for
yeah,
real.
Elmina,
For real.
I'm sure the music scene, from what you're saying, it's a growing thing, right? It's a
for
budding
real,
thing.
for real,
Okay, so would you say you're one of the biggest artists there as of now?
For real.
Oh, that's
In
dope.
Central region.
Oh,
Actually.
wow.
Yeah.
You're one of the biggest artists
For
there.
real.
Oh, that's really cool. I'm talking to one of the biggest artists in Central Region. Oh, man. Shout out, man.
Let's, bro.
Okay, so how was family as all this was going on?
Okay.
In terms of their response to what you were doing?
Okay, I'll say Daddy passed on very early.
Oh, sorry, man.
Yeah, so my mother, as I was doing the dancing thing, and my mother wasn't in support of it. Like, yo, they beat me, don't go here, I'll be going sneaking out and all
Yeah.
that. But as I started music, and by then I was done with secondary school, so it was like, yo, and if you are doing something like, let's say, music, and your mother actually listen to your music and tell you that, yo, bro, stop this thing that you're doing,
Yeah.
then you have to stop.
Oh.
You have to buy my mother listen to my you be hard.
So,
Like,
I mean, as she was saying these things, she hadn't heard your music.
no,
She was just thinking of the lifestyle. You know how...
you get it, yeah.
Yeah, so she was coming from protective place.
For real.
That makes sense.
My mother listening to my music and like falling in love with it, it's like, yo, big win for me, then I have to go more.
Oh, that must have been a happy moment for you,
real,
man.
for real,
Oh, man.
for real.
Can we
So,
give your mom a
yeah.
shout out? What's her name?
Yeah, bless up, Ajwa
Ajwa?
means to bless up.
Oh, shout out to mommy. I love giving parent shout outs. I don't know why. I just love giving parent shout outs, man. Shout out to mom, man. Okay, so now that happens. The fan base is gradually growing. But, bro, as I was saying earlier, you have a crazy catalog. You work with EL.
Yeah.
You work with Papi Kojo and a couple of other artists.
T-Flow, Africa
T-Flow.
One.
And you were on their project.
Yeah.
They called you
They
for
called
their
me for
project.
yeah.
How did these...
And I was on last year's manifestivities too as well.
Bro, man, this guy's working. How did these come about, would you say? Was it through the fact that they heard your music? Was it through you reaching out to them? Was it through somebody who knows them, who said, this guy has it, so put him on? Because you must be doing something right.
For real. I would say my works, and I'm a type that I love jumping on challenges.
Okay.
You see, this artist will drop a challenge and I would jump on, do my thing, and all that. And I can say that me, for Ghana here, nobody win challenges past me.
Bro, that's big.
For real.
Like, that's a very heavy statement.
For real.
No, when you say challenges, is it,
Yeah.
it's not necessarily rap battles you're talking about?
No. Like, it may be song, open verse, like you jumping on.
Okay.
those
So
things.
when you have the opportunity, you kill it.
I kill it.
Okay.
I don't joke with it. Like, I go me at the beat, you go feel I'm saying, nah.
Yeah.
Then the way the people, like, you see Ghanaians, we really support talent. Only if the thing they be. You get
okay.
it?
Yeah, I
So
get you.
me, if I jump on them the way I give them a 100, you have no option than to then react to it. So
Okay, so some of these things led to these artists
For real,
calling
for
you.
real.
How did Papi Kojo call you? Like, how did that particular conversation go?
Okay, it was he just put out I want was it four fancy rappers
Okay.
a Kano remix and people started doing the tagging. You see, I do the fancy rap, so basically I got many tags in there, so he had to just put me on.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
And that happened. Manifest, how did that? Because, you know, Manifest is very lyrically astute. Like, he
real.
pays attention to that, right? So, how did that also come about, man?
Yeah, it was that is Next Generation. That was just last year.
Okay.
Next Generation Challenge, and that one. So I jumped on. He picked was it how many? Six, I think.
Of all
Six.
the rappers?
Yeah, over like plenty entries.
I mean, it's Manifest.
Plenty entries, and we were part
that's
part
cool.
of that, and that I would say that Bless on Manifest that opened many doors for me. Plenty things that I'm working on right now. From
Shout out
that.
to Manifest, man. That's what it's
Bless,
about.
yeah.
At this point, do you get surprised at how how good you are lyrically, you know, when it comes to the praises, when it comes to the calls to be on these artists? Because, again, as I said, you're still growing as an artist, and you're on all these other artists' projects.
Yeah.
Do you still get surprised, or are you just like, nah, it's light work?
No, I believe in the work more than the talking. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a type that even I have some crazy artists that, like me, now personally, I write them down. Say, these people, I will make them put me on a song. And I go do whatever it takes. It's not about me going to beg, but I go do something. I go come your direction. You know, I go feel out.
Okay.
I have targets, and as at last 2 years, it was 15, and I would say that almost eight done.
For real?
For real.
Would you like to share some, or is it a personal thing?
Oh, it's a personal thing.
Yeah,
It's a personal
I understand.
thing.
Yeah, I understand.
It did right now. So when the right time comes, I'll just bring it out.
Oh,
yeah. So I just believe in the working. So yeah. You stay focused.
Me, I'm just hoping there's like a Jay-Z in there, a Kanye, a Drake,
For real.
a Kendrick. I know he's not gonna say, and all these things, are personal, because we all have our own things we manifest.
Yeah.
Oh, you see what I did there? Shout out to Manifest.
Yeah.
So okay, so now all this is happening, but you also release your own music apart from
sure,
jumping on people's songs.
Sure.
How many songs do you have? How many projects? Can you count?
Okay, I have a couple of works out there, roughly, including my recent tape that is Big Dawson EP. I would say I have like 15, 14, 15,
Wow.
Yeah.
Singles.
yeah, single and EP, one EP,
An EP.
yeah, together.
Okay. So this is your first EP, or is this your second
Yeah,
EP?
first.
Okay, so it seems like
Hopefully, I will drop another one before the year ends. So.
okay.
Yeah.
It seems like with everything you're doing, you're really taking your time before dropping this EP. Because again, I'm assuming, as you were, getting all these features, you would just release it then. But as we're seeing on the screen right now, wait, this is not out yet.
This is out.
This is out.
Yeah,
When does this
Big
drop
Dawson,
officially?
that was last month.
Last month.
I think, yeah.
Why are you dropping this now, though? As I was saying, not when you're getting all these features. Why Big Dawson now?
Okay, everybody knows the Kojo Vypa brand to be rap. So most of my fans are rap lovers. And we started on a course that, okay, we are coming to put out our commercial songs more.
Okay.
Because initially I was doing more of freestyles and all that.
Okay.
So, okay, before we go to commercial, what are we doing for the rap lovers? Which I know that they are my fans, my core fans. So we had to put together the Big Dawson tape. That is strictly rap tape.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's strictly rap tape, 6 songs solid. And that is Big Dawson, to let the people know that the Dawson that they used to do is a whole different creature right about now.
So Dawson is your real name?
Yeah, Dawson is my
what's the full name, may I ask? Or is it Kojo Dawson?
Nana Dawson.
Nana Dawson.
Nana Dawson, yeah.
Okay, but you're Monday born,
Yeah,
hence
Monday
the
born,
Kojo.
yeah, Nana, yeah.
Okay. So this project, like you're saying, is a culmination of your growth as an artist.
For real.
Before we listen to this project, in what areas would you say you've grown the most as an artist? Maybe a human being, as a man, looking at the number of years you've been doing this professionally, man.
I would say my content, lyrical prowess, and even the way I perform, the way I talk. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's the response been to your music so far? You know, again, we have these conversations where, oh, you have to come to Accra before your music will blow, you know,
Yeah.
before people pay attention to you.
Yeah.
But we see slightly, right? There's a shift in that way of thinking or accepting the music. Look at what Kumasi is doing. Look at what Takra is doing. Look at you from Almina, like we're talking about. Edem has been doing this for years. Now we see a lot of people from the Volta, right? Adding your voice to that, what do you have to say in that sense of the conversation?
Okay, I would say right now in the modern Ghana right now, we have internet. So it doesn't necessarily mean move to Accra before you can blow.
Okay, okay.
But all the same, if you move to Accra to go help.
There's an advantage. I mean, it helps.
Because see, where Central Region, how many TV stations do we have there? You get how many companies do we even have there? How many radio stations? Like we have to consider some things. So basically, even if you blow wherever you are, automatically you go come Accra. Because most of the things are here. The TV station where you go help the what it takes for your music, the right blocks and everything. You can't deny that.
That's just facts, right?
For real.
Okay.
So yeah, that is about it. We don't have to preach it to change the perception that it's only when you come to Accra.
Yes, that's true. I agree 100%. That if you put that in the artist's minds, people might just withdraw.
For real.
Do you ever think of the fact that it might there's a possibility, right? A very large probability, looking at what you've done and how hard you work, that you might be the one carrying Central Region, and artists will be looking to you to carry that vibe, you know, the essence of the music there to the rest of Ghana, to the rest of Africa. Have you ever thought about that? And if yes, does it scare you? Does it excite you?
It excites me and same way put more pressure on me to go harder. You get it? Because it's not easy. See the number of people looking at you, looking up to you. See, you can't mess up. You have to be on the right course and do it. It be big work, and it not be one person work too. So you get it. So Kojo Vypa is playing his part. T-Flow is playing his part. Kobe Simple or Kote Perry.
Oh, Kobe Simple, that's true.
Yeah. Starboy, Black, them. We have plenty of people, No Nation, smelling Good Gang. These people
Smelling Good Gang?
Yeah, we have Smelling
I've never heard of them.
No Nation Gang.
I want to talk to Smelling Good Gang one day, man.
For real.
Just because of their name.
Yeah.
Smelling Good Gang.
Yeah.
Oh, Charlie.
I go link them to you.
Yeah, please do. I want to talk about them, about their name.
For real.
Smelling Good Gang.
For real.
So, but we have one of your songs, a visualizer, right?
Yeah. Okay.
You don't have any official videos of the video. I think it's an audio.
It's audio.
Okay, so we have an audio. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to listen to it.
Okay.
Get back. Tell us your plans. As you said, you might drop another project
For real.
this year. So guys, check this out. Off the man, you know, Kojo Vypa's new project. It's called Big Dawson. When we get back, we're going to tell you where you can get it. Listen to this. We'll be right back.
Monster.
I think the interview we finished long time. Bro, that's good, bro. That's good music, bro.
Bless, bro.
Do you feel like you deserve more?
For real.
You know, more eyeballs, more attention, more platforms. It's something you think about, right?
Yeah.
Nice, man.
Yeah.
I believe that's going to happen.
For real.
You know, like the way you're putting in work.
Yeah,
very,
I really
very proud.
believe it's near though. Yeah, I don't know who I foretell this, but it really near. So
It's
we gotta
near,
get
right?
ready for it.
I like that. I like that. What do you want to tell, you know, people from Elmina who support you, Central Region, people who appreciate you, who've grown up listening to your music?
Okay. All I will say is that we can do this and we have to throw in more support. And more times, if we artists preach about support, it's not basically about money. It's not basically about money. Some people, the moment they hear support, they think giving out money and no. Support comes from so many different angles, as in sharing the songs, recommending the song. Even I believe in recommendation more than anything. Just recommend, Charlie, no, this boy be hard. Go and listen to this. It'd be crazy. Basically, if you tell 100 people and they all do listen, you find like 50, 40, you win be that. You get it. So support, just if we are pleading with you to support, we mean that follow we on all the socials, share our songs, just talk about we. Wherever arguments they try, say you go bring we in the conversation.
Yeah.
So basically,
bro, I think
that'll be it.
that's perfect, bro. I mean, it's true, you know, support, just, you know, word of mouth, just speaking and, you know, appreciating our artists. That's very, very true, man. So this project, like you said, is out on all platforms.
All platforms.
People can buy it everywhere.
For real. We did everywhere. If you go health safe, you will be just too much heat on that.
So please buy the music, as I always say. And, you know, this is testament to the fact that we do have the talent we're always talking about. We can do it. We can do it. And it's by putting, you know, our strength and our energy and generally that support behind him, bro. Thank you so much for coming through. I wish you the absolute best. Please come through when you get your new project.
For real.
Nice one. But there's going to be some music videos for this project.
For real. This Friday we are dropping three music videos out of the tape.
Three?
Yeah, 3.
This guy's working, man.
It'd be crazy.
I do have to let him go, but I have another artist coming through. Like I said, please find Big Dawson. Support it by buying it. Kojo Vypa has music on there with some other great artists. You know, go there, find the music. He has singles before this, and like he said, he might drop another project this year. That's incredible stuff. Quick commercial break. We'll be right back.